There is something that I wish someone has told me earlier, that trusting wrong people doesn't mean that you are stupid. It means that you are growing and it's just part of the growth. Hello, my beautiful people. I'm Dilnaz Pathan, and in today's video, we will be talking about why do we trust wrong people, which is just part of the growth, and how we can deal with the regret that stays with life. For most of us, growth comes with lots of regret, especially when you are a girl and going through with your teens. If we have ever looked back and said, I wish someone has told me that I was this stupid, I was so dumb, then this video is for you. I remember being 17. Yeah, I think perfectly I remember that. Everything was new, new place, new people, and I didn't care about values. I just wanted to feel belong with everyone. I laughed with the people who made me doubt myself about everything, about my personality, my confidence, the way I look, the way I am, the way I speak, like everything. And I came from the community, society that, अच्छे घर की लड़कियां is the only good thing you can do. They would joke about things that I care. They make me feel that I am very dramatic for the emotions that I carry. And हर एक चीज का मजाक बनाना, but still I stayed because living alone felt more scarier than being mistreated by them. And I know हम सबके साथ ऐसा होता है, I was talking to my cousin sister who is younger than me, and she also told me that she's going through the same thing. How do we get rid of the regret? That's why I came to the point to make this video. And the worst part is we don't blame them, we blame ourselves for trusting them कि हमने क्यों उन लोगों पे भरोसा किया. And there are so many friends who are basically fake friends. हम लोगों को लगता है कि हमारे सच्चे दोस्त हैं, बट वो हमारे सच्चे दोस्त नहीं होते. बिकॉज एक टाइम के बाद आपको रियलाइज होता है कि सच्चे दोस्त क्या होते हैं, वो जो हर एक चीज में खड़े रहते हैं, हर एक आपकी मुसीबत में. यू डोंट हैव टू फील रिग्रेट आफ्टर, आफ्टर क्या, ये जब खत्म हो जाए सब. Now the main question is, why does this happen to so many of us? Because our teenage brain is still wiring with identity. We want approval more than the truth. And when we finally get attention, we hold on to that, even if it's toxic. Let's be real. I think we are taught to be likable all the time, rather than the discerning, right? We are raised to keep the peace, so we ignore the red flags. हमें ऐसा बना दिया जाता है कि हमें लगता है कि that's the life we only got. All of because not we are weak, but because we are conditioned by all the things that happens. And everything seems so overwhelming that we confuse ourselves कि हम जिस पे भरोसा कर रहे हैं वो सही है कि गलत है, right? अब होता है ये कि you start questioning your judgment. You stop trusting people, and that includes yourself and the right people too. And that's what betrayal does to you. It just doesn't break the bond, it breaks the self-image too. You walk around thinking, maybe I'm too sensitive, maybe I'm the problem. But the truth is, my baby girl, you were never the problem. You were just growing in the wrong garden, and there should be nothing you stay with your rest of the life, which we call regret. Now let's move to what I learned and how to heal. First thing, forgiveness is equal to releasing yourself. Because when we forgive someone else whom we trusted, who were the wrong people for us, we just don't forgive them, we forgive ourselves. It's for our own peace. And make sure that you are not allowing them to enter in your life again, because that's a mistake you are going to do, and it may can ruin your life. So be careful for that. Second thing is that it was a pattern, not a one-time mistake. If you keep repeating the friendship that drains you, you are not unlucky, my girl. You are just stuck in the wrong pattern. And the first step is to name that thing. Third thing, you didn't miss the red flags, you overrode them. Somewhere you knew that कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गलत है, but you still silenced it to be liked. And now you got to learn how to unlearn it. Now choose people who don't need you to shrink in order to stay with them. The message that I want to give to my younger self is, I didn't fail, I didn't deserve it. मुझे बस पता नहीं था कि how to choose the right people who knew how to love. But now I'm not stuck, I'm not broken, I am finally into myself. I'm just rebuilding new eyes, new standards, a heart that puts myself first. If this hit home, I want you to comment down what you have learned from your past friendships or your relationships. And please do comment. Let's heal without shame together. And if you are in that space right now, it's your time to walk away without a guilt. Not because they were all bad, but because you have to know what's your worth. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.